Hello and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, my mum is going to show us how she makes Fenugreek Crepes or Methi Bhaji na pura. And she is an absolute expert in making this because when I've made it in the past, they either stick to the frying pan or they just don't come out right. So if you're like me, you're definitely in the right place because my mum is going to share all her tips and tricks today. So let's get cooking. So to get started, we need to get our flours ready. And for this recipe, I've got 1 cup or 120 grams of chickpea flour or besan, 1 cup or 120 grams of plain flour, and 1 1/3 cups or 190 grams of rice flour. And when my mum told me that I needed to put more rice flour in this mix, I was like, oh, this is one of the reasons why mine don't turn out. And hers always turn out really crispy. So there's a tip for you. Add more rice flour. So we're just going to mix these flours into a bowl. Now that we've got the flours ready in the bowl, we need to get the rest of the ingredients ready. So number 1 is the fenugreek leaves. So I like to use frozen fenugreek leaves. You can use fresh as well. Nice, yeah. So here I've got 1 cube or 80 grams or about half a cup packed of frozen fenugreek leaves, which I've defrosted. And we need onions. Onions taste very nice in this, right?
Very nice, yeah.
So I've got 1 medium-sized onion and 1 small onion, and together these weigh 200 grams. So you're going to need that. We're going to peel it and then chop it into small pieces. And here I've got 1.5 teaspoons of grated ginger and about 1 teaspoon of green chilies that have been crushed up. Why don't my pura it doesn't come out? Why is that, you think?
Because of you not adding mendo.
Mendo, okay, plain flour.
Plain flour, yeah. Before I also make mistake starting.
Yeah.
I just put chana no lot besan and rice flour.
Okay.
So it's sticking in the pan.
I see.
So one of my tenant, she used to make and I tell why it's not coming right. So she said, you have to add the plain flour.
Okay.
So like that I learned and I'm making and I happy.
Okay.
With that.
Okay, so there you go. There's one tip. So if your crepes are not coming out, then you need to add plain flour in it.
That's
but
right.
You know, when we measured this out, Mom, I noticed that you put a lot of rice flour in there. I didn't think there was supposed to be so much rice flour. So what's that for?
Because if you put more rice flour, then it's nice crispy. You see, when you're making and tastes nice. And also onion. It's very nice taste after making it.
Yeah, the onions always taste really good in there. All right, that's good to know. Yeah, and what about the pan? What kind of pan?
You have a saucepan to make it?
I've got my griddle.
Griddle.
Yeah.
Yeah, we tried that.
Yeah, I think it will work on the griddle because I make my tepla on the griddle, and I do like my frying, shallow frying on that. So
okay, so we tried that.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm making in tawi, big tawi.
Okay, you can do it in your tawa as well, where you make roti.
You can use tawi. Yeah.
Okay.
If you got a nice big tawi or how much you want to make, you can make it.
Okay. And do you add yogurt or any like dairy in this at all?
No, not at all. You don't need it.
So it's vegan. So for all of you vegans out there, you can definitely try this too.
Yeah.
Okay, Mum. So the flours are in here. So what shall I add in there?
Haldi,
quarter teaspoon?
Now machani buki.
All right. That's half a teaspoon.
Yeah. Nedhana zero 1 teaspoon.
And salt?
Salt. 1.5. Yeah.
And you can adjust the salt to your taste.
And chili also.
Okay, so we're going to add the ginger and the chilies?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's 1.5 teaspoons of ginger and about 1 teaspoon of green chili paste.
Yeah. And limbu na full.
Okay, so this here is citric acid.
Is a limbu na full.
Limbu na full. And it's very sour. So my mum likes to add this in some of her dishes to give a really tart flavor. So how much, Mum? A quarter teaspoon?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going for it.
Now sugar.
Okay, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar.
That's it.
And that's it?
That's it.
Shall I mix it first?
Yeah.
Okay, let's mix it. So it's good to mix all the dry ingredients together so that all the spices mix properly, right, Mum?
Yeah.
Okay, and you said 1 tablespoon of oil?
Yeah. Methi Bhaji nakide.
Okay, so this is my fenugreek leaves going in. Okay, and then you said add water.
Yeah.
Okay, so what kind of batter, Mum? Like how thick?
Patlu jo.
Yeah?
Yeah, put more water. Need more water.
Okay, so this is 2 1/4 cups of water in total in here that I've added.
No. So added onion.
So you always add the onion last?
Yeah.
Yeah? Why is that, Mum?
Soggy thai jaye.
Oh, it gets soggy if you add it in there
Yeah.
too early. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Because when you're eating, nice crunchy.
Ah, yeah, you want that crunch.
Yeah.
I'm going to add this onion in here, and you can see that it's fairly finely chopped. All right. Seems like a lot of onion, but I think it's good. Looks good?
Little water more.
More water.
Yeah.
Okay. And coriander.
And coriander also.
Okay, so I've got about 1/4 cup of chopped coriander here. And you said you don't have to add it if you don't have it.
Yeah, if you don't have it, then you doesn't matter.
And more water.
Yeah, little. First.
Okay. So this is now 2 1/2 cups of water added in here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, shall we taste it?
Yeah.
You want me to taste it, right?
Yeah. Khatas nathi ne? Jara pan.
Yeah, actually, it's not as sour as I thought.
Yeah.
So you think more?
Add more.
Okay, so we're going to add another 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid, and you can do this to your taste. But if you add more citric acid, do it little by little because it's really concentrated. Otherwise, it's good. I think salt and everything is good.
Good, yeah.
Okay. So now we let it sit?
Yeah, sit for 5-10 minutes and you can do it.
No, you're going to help me with this because this is where I have trouble.
Yeah.
All right, so to make the puras, I'm using my griddle, and this griddle is available on my website in my store, so definitely check that out. Mum was actually very excited when she saw the griddle because she said that they will turn out really well on this. So I've got this griddle heating up on the number 4 on my middle stove, which is like a wok ring. Okay, so this has been sitting for about 10 minutes, and Mum looked at it and she said you need more water in there.
Yes, yeah.
Because if it's too thick, then they'll come out really thick. Right?
જેટલા પતલા જોઈએ એટલું પતલું કરવાનું એમ હજુ નાખવા પડશે.
So this is a full 3 cups of water in here now.
Yeah.
So the thinner the mixture is, the thinner the crepes will turn out.
Yeah.
How's that? Is that good?
It's better.
Better?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So my griddle's been heating up for about 5 minutes, and now I'm going to put a few drops of oil on here.
Yeah. And
rub a kitchen towel around with it. Be careful because it is hot. Then
આમ કરીને ફરતું નાખજે.
We've got a label. I asked my mum to do it, but she's like, no, you do it. So
You got to learn.
I know. All right, so I've got a big ladle of this mixture.
Yeah.
All right, and go round.
Round, yeah. Go further so you can split. But jali ફેરવો.
Even more.
Yeah, more.
And then pour oil.
Oil, yeah.
So you wait until it's cooked or just pour it?
Just put it.
Okay.
ચપટું થોડું થોડું નાખી દે
Okay.
બહારથી બસ તો આપણે
Oh my God, look at that. It is just coming off. Wow.
easy ઉખડે ને
Yeah, it didn't stick at all.
yeah it's good
Okay, so this one's a little bit fat. So I think
Yeah.
we need to add more water,
water,
right?
yeah.
Okay, not bad for the first one.
yeah
It did come out.
yeah
Yeah.
it's good
So I did add some, let's add some more water because the thinner the mixture is, the thinner the crepes will come out. All right, I think I've got this now. So one of the tricks is to put the mixture in a circle on the outside like this, not all in the middle. And then using a flat spoon, spread it out. So you can spread some in the middle. Oops. So let that cook, and then when you add the oil, add it on the outside, right, Mum?
yeah
So that the edges become nice and crisp. So let it cook, and you'll start to see when it starts to come off a little bit. That's when it's ready to turn. So it's almost there. You can see it's coming off here. So I can turn it now. Just carefully make sure that it all comes off. And then we're gonna flip it. Look at that.
perfect
Yeah, then I did add another 1 cup of water, so 4 cups of water total.
yeah if it's running
Yeah,
then it will come thinner you see
yeah, you're
if
right.
you want thicker then add
Less water. Yeah, you're right.
but thin one tastes nice
Yeah, it does.
and crunchy
And crunchy. All right. I think it's ready. So we're gonna take it off and make another one.
yeah
Hey, this one turned out round. Practice makes perfect. I thought, Mum, that, you know, like they do masala dosa, you put the mixture in the middle and then you go like this. I thought that's what you're supposed to do with this.
no but this is an easy way
This is an easy way.
because if you put from outside
Yeah.
and it will run in inside
Yeah.
you see
And it's easy to put it into the middle as well.
yeah that's right so that's why I'm doing
Yeah, you find all these shortcuts. And it's coming off so nicely on this pan.
yeah
Not sticking at all.
no not at all
You definitely have to try this recipe. You'll feel so good because you'll have success. So there you have it. They turned out really nice, Mom, and I'm so happy they didn't stick and they stayed like fairly round. Look at that. I'm so impressed.
Good.
And if you have any mixture left over, we have some mixture left over, so keep that in the fridge.
Yeah, if you put in fridge, you can make it 1 or 2 days after.
Okay.
That also can stay.
All
And
right.
if you already made, you also put in fridge, and next day you can put in tavi and then hot it. It's just fresh.
Okay.
So you can, whenever you like to eat, you can eat.
Okay, good. So you guys can make these and then reheat them on the tawa. Don't microwave it,
No,
right?
no.
Yeah, because they'll become nice and crisp
Yeah.
once they're heated
Yeah.
up. Oh,
Then it's look nice and taste nice too.
tastes nice too. Yeah, Mom, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate your help, and I'm sure all the viewers appreciate your help. And
Yeah, thank
I love
you.
you, Mom. Thank you.
I love you too.
Aw, thank you so much.
Sure.
So there you have it. Shall we taste them now?
Yeah.
Go on then. Okay, I'm going to take one from underneath. Let's take this one. Here. You have.
Nice.
Very nice.
You must try.
Yeah.
Very nice.
The edges are very nice and crispy. So good. So there you have it. That's how you make Methi Bhaji na pura. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all soon for some more cooking inspiration.
Thank you.
So good.